first batch of 10,000 doses of the breakthrough drug 2DG developed by the DRDO will soon be available in the hospitals to be administered to the patients who are fighting the COVID pandemic. And I'm in one of the hospitals that has been a part of the trial runs of this medicine, the Akash Rupas Specialty Hospital, and I am joined by the famous pulmonologist, Dr. Akshay Budhiraja. Sir, a very warm welcome. And I would like to ask you about the 2DG drug. Soon it will be available to you also. How do you think it will be an achievement in treating the patients who are fighting the COVID?
So we did trial for both the medicines, both the phases of this medicine, 2DG, that is 2-deoxy-D-glucose. Basically, it is an anti-cancer drug. It has been used in various other diseases as well. And in the trials, we saw that this particular molecule, if taken on time, it reduces the viral load as well as it reduces the oxygen requirement. And we have seen patients who turned negative in 3 days, as early as 3 days and as late as 8 days. But the most important thing is they have recovered quickly and without any complications.
So when the first batch is soon to be out, what do you think, by when it will be available to you?
So the initial supply will be limited, which will come next week, but in another 3 to 4 weeks, it will be in market, but it is to be taken strictly under supervision and in IPD patients, that is admitted patients, and only in mild, moderate, and some category of severe cases, not those patients who are on ventilator or who are very severely sick due to COVID.
Is there any age factor also on about this 2DG medicine?
Yes, so the trial was done in patients who were 18 years or older, but less than 65 years of age. And so this is the age limit. It has not been tried in children, and it has not been tried in patients who are pregnant or who are immunosuppressed. Either they have cancer or chronic kidney disease. So pregnancy is a exclusion criteria for this, as well as patients who are on immunosuppressive therapy.
So when this medicine is available, do you think that will be a major breakthrough in treating the patients?
Yeah, definitely, because it reduces the length of stay. That is very important. It reduces the oxygen requirement. So that is something which we have not achieved with any other molecule. And also the patients who are severely ill or they have moderate disease, they require steroid. So this particular drug, if given on time, it reduces the requirement of steroid as well. So it will definitely benefit COVID patients.
We've seen, particularly in Delhi, the positivity rate has gone down and the cases have declined. What do you see for the coming days? Will there be a relief, or what more is to be done by the people?
Yes, so there will definitely be a relief, but we shouldn't let our guards down, because there is expected third wave which might affect a different subset of patients and most importantly children. So we must continue with the protocol, hand hygiene and wearing the mask, and we must follow all the guidelines as directed by the government.